Step 1, take the SD card out of the camera, put it in the back of the iMac, carefully, label side facing up. Make sure you get it in the whole way. It won't go in any farther than that. Head over to the iMac, open the icon that is called Finder. It's always on the bottom left of the dock. Now, when you're on a Mac, things are a little bit different. You can move your windows just by doing this. You close your windows with the red dot, minimize with the yellow dot, and then make it bigger with the green dot. We're just going to leave it as is here. Now what you would do on the side is locate Canon, or it's called Cam SD. Then you would want to open a new window. To open up a new window, there's two ways. One is to go to File, New Window, New Finder window, that is. And that'll open up a new window to have side by side. I think the easier way is doing Command and N on your keyboard. When you do Command N, that opens up another window. That's your shortcut. So one side is going to be the DCIM folder that has your footage. The other side is going to be Google Drive. So you're going to go to Google Drive, which should be on the side. If somebody accidentally closed out of Google Drive before you and you don't see a Google Drive, probably what happened is they clicked on this eject button. What you would need to do is go back up here to the top of your screen and look for Google Drive and click sign in. But it is already signed in and it is already good to go. So you would click on Google Drive if everything's good to go here. Open up Share Drives, find Digital Media, Footage, and then depending on what you're doing, if you're doing maybe videos around cams or random dance footage for everybody to use, you'd go in there, but you're probably going to just be going to your folder. Open up your letter day that you have digital media class. I'm going to go to A Day, and I'm just going to go ahead and open up Maddie's here. Okay, so I would go into this folder over here. Again, this is where your SD card is. Open up DCIM. Let's say that this is the folder with the footage, and you would know that if you click on the arrow, and if you view the footage that's inside of that. You can preview it by clicking one time and tapping the space bar on your keyboard. That'll open up a preview on your screen. But anyway, it is best if you take that whole folder and drag it over and then let go. Once it is in here, you need to delete it from here, from the camera. To delete it from the camera, the easiest way to do that is to take that whole folder in DCIM and drag it down to the trash can, which is down here. When you do that, you're going to hear that satisfying sound. That means it went to the trash. You no longer see it over here. It's gone. Another way to do that is to just click on that one time, and on your keyboard, do Command and Delete. When you do Command Delete, that's your shortcut that moves it to the trash. Once you have trashed it, close it, SD card out, back in the camera it goes, and then make sure you put the camera back on charge. Another little shortcut on the iMacs, if you would like to see your folders in list view like this, these icons over here change the view type. So earlier when I showed you, I was in icon or thumbnail view like this. By clicking on the list, that shows it very scrollable. There's a whole list full. I have your names organized by alphabetical order according to your last name.
If you use your phone to record any footage, you need to get it into Google Share Drive. So what you would do is go to Google Share Drive on your phone. So you would have to have the Google Drive app already installed on your phone and signed into your school Google account. Once you're into Google Drive, make sure at the bottom you're tapped onto Files, and then at the top tap on Share Drives. Find Digital Media Files, and then tap on that. And then depending on what you're uploading, if you have pictures, go into the pics folder. If you have footage, such as videos, go into the footage folder. Here I'm in the footage folder. So for this, I'm going to videos around cams. I have videos inside the schools in the hallways, videos outside the school. So go into the right folder depending on what you're uploading. Here I'm uploading something from inside the school. So I would tap on upload. From there, click on photos and videos, and this will browse your phone where you can select the photos that you want to upload to this folder on Google Shared Drive. Now, if you were recording for your own project, your own edit, then go into either the A day or B day folder, depending on when you have class. Once this loads, you will see a list of every student's name in alphabetical order by last name. Find yours, and then open yours, and then just go to the plus sign and do the same thing. Go to upload, browse photos and videos, and then pull images and videos from your phone. No matter what you do, always import your footage right away. That's why you come back 10 minutes before class is over. Spend that time importing either from your phone or from the SD card. That way it's there and you can start editing as soon as possible.